Oh, hello folks, and welcome to another video here in Koh Samui. The weather is once again looking splendid, and I'm at a restaurant called Sea Sun, which is right by the shores here in Koh Samui in the area of Bang Rak. It is a fantastic place to come out to get a bit of a tan, as well as some great tasting food. Just look at the blue waters behind me of Koh Samui. It's fantastic. What a day it is today. It's great to be alive. We've got the soft afternoon sun radiating on us, so I'm hopefully gonna go a little brown today. And the plan really is to just relax, enjoy life, and show you what it's like. Once again, loving my time here in Koh Samui. Alright, so let's take a look at the menu here, folks. This is the Sea Sun menu, and we've got on the first page right away some delicious looking Thai food for around about 200, 250 baht and up. Right, I've gone ahead and ordered up some food, got myself a little pad thai as well as a cocktail, but just look how beautiful this restaurant is. We've got some nets at the front here overhanging onto the rocks and the shore there, where you can go and take nice little Instagram photos of yourself. I don't even know if this is strong enough to hold myself, but don't really want to give it a try. Great views from this restaurant, and also just in the distance, not sure if you can see it, you've got the great big Buddha of Samui, which is rather magnificent. I haven't actually been there in person. Might go check it out later once I'm done eating here, but like I said, I'm here to really lounge around and relax. And actually my mango cocktail has just arrived. It's a mango colada, folks. Oh yeah. What? Sour as hell. And what's great about this moment in time at the Sun Sea restaurant is that between the hours of 3 and 5 p.m, which I'm here now, it's buy one get one free cocktails. So all their classic and signature cocktails are buy one get one free on special promotion during this period. Woohoo! So after I'm done with this mango colada, I'm gonna get myself another. Right, so I thought I'd just move into some shelter because although it is the afternoon sun, it is still scorching hot outside. And look at this incredible looking pad thai. Holy moly. Those ain't just regular prawns there, those are some king prawns. That look absolutely delicious. And just look at this, I'm right by the sea here. We've got the waves crashing up ever so softly against the shores. We've got these beautiful tropical trees right in front of us with an image of Buddha there, as well as some more trees and rocks lining the shores. It's so good. I need to get the glasses on. You know, I can't see anything without the sunglasses on. Oh, there we are. There we are. Everything is just so much clearer and more visible. I've got a cat right here that's joined me for lunch, eh? I think it wants some food. Hello. Or is it waiting for some food to be served by Sea Sun? This cat's adorable. It's just hopped on the chair there, and now it's really joining me for lunch. Look at him. Oh my god, so cute. Ow. Well, as we're so close to the big Buddha, I thought it'd be a good idea to go and pay our respects to it. Well, it's thankfully a short flight of steps up to the Buddha. And look at it. How magnificent is this? Wow. The grounds which it's positioned on are ever so beautiful. You've got a view over the sea and the shores here of Samui, and the blue sky behind it and the gold sheen of the big Buddha image is just magnificent. This Buddha image can almost be seen from fishermen, especially Bang Rak. It's really big, and it's quite an iconic Buddha image of the island. $300 there. Okay, come on, cat. All right, I just picked up some swimming trunks from this shop behind me, which is right in front of the Buddha. They've got lots of shops around here that sell swimwear and Thai garments, as well as a few restaurants along the side here, right by the seafront that you can eat at. But I'm gonna put these trunks on soon, and we're gonna head to another location that I've been meaning to check out called, well, I'll tell you the name once we arrive. Take a look at this. We are at 79 Beach Club, folks, and it's a brand new beach club that's opened here in Koh Samui. It hasn't been open for long, only since the end of April, kind of like the time when Songkran happened. And it's still not too known on the island, and this is my first time visiting. And it's a beautiful beach club with this amazing pool that goes right round a center bar. It's actually got two elevations, one here and one up there. Now there is a minimum spend for the big lounges, as you see in the middle, and it's around about 5,000 baht, but it doesn't work out too expensive when you've had a couple drinks and you're with friends. And then there's some more lounges over here and over there. I think it's around about 2,000. And then there are free zones right on the outskirts, which have your basic kind of like seating area. This is freaking great. It is just perfect to come out here, listen to a few tunes, and look out onto the beach as well as the ocean and the beautiful view of the beach club, as well as have some nice cocktails. I'm going to order a cocktail called Rock Flower, which is one of their signature cocktails here.